Hi and welcome. I am here today with Realme 8 Pro and I'll be showing you how to get an iPhone keyboard on this phone. So first we have to open up the Google Play Store and here look for iPhone keyboard. Okay, choose the OS 11 keyboard theme and install it. Now open it up. Agree. Now we have to install another application from the Google Play Store. Emoji keyboard, cute emote icons, GIF and stickers. Install. Okay, now don't open this application. Let's go back. Wait for this application to load in. Now there's an advertisement, just skip it. Tap on apply. And another advertisement, of course. Close. Tap on enable emoji keyboard. Emoji keyboard, activate. And then select emoji keyboard. Now there's an X in the top right corner, click on it. And now, as you can see, we have this iPhone keyboard on our Realme 8 Pro. And that's truly everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.